Hello, welcome to this speaking and vocabulary lesson. Today we're talking about hanging out, and we're going to describe 3 pictures. So here's the first picture, and we have the vocabulary words on the side. So ledge, the place where those girls are sitting. I don't know how to describe this, but this is a ledge. You can see in the picture. Jeans, a type of pants. So they are all wearing jeans. Stylish. It's a person who looks good, or they are like fashionable. So let's start to put some of these words together. I can see 4 stylish girls wearing jeans, and 2 of them are sitting on a ledge. Relaxed. It means not stressed. So we can tell that these girls are happy and relaxed. Catching up. That's talking to friends after having not seen them for a while. So I haven't seen my friend for 2 months, so I want to call him and catch up. So we can say, these girls are catching up on the ledge. Chilling. That's just hanging out together. So what are you doing this weekend? This weekend, I'm chilling with my friends. Or these girls are chilling by the ledge. And friends. I don't need to explain that one. Let's look at the example. 4 friends are catching up. 2 of them are sitting on a ledge, and the other 2 are standing. They all look relaxed and are happy to be chilling together. I think that they are wearing quite stylish jeans. So the point of this is to learn vocabulary words and use them in a way to describe something in more detail. So the next one, tablet. It's like an iPad or a notebook. It's a tablet. Snacks. Those are like chips or nuts or whatever, etc. Some of my English students had trouble pronouncing snacks. Sometimes they said snakes, because if you look at the 2 words, snacks, snakes. Snack is a food, but snake is an animal. But I had some English students tell me, like, they said, I love eating snakes, but actually they meant snacks. It's kind of funny. Beer, a type of drink. Everybody knows what beer means, right? Watching is just the verb for when you have a video. Sometimes people say looking at the video, but it has to be watching. They are watching TV, they are watching YouTube, watching a video, and they're laughing. So the friends are laughing and watching a video in the living room, a room of the house. So we could say that when we describe pictures, we usually use the present continuous tense. So that's the verb plus ing. So they're laughing, they're watching. And you can see in my example, 3 friends are chilling in the living room, watching a video on a tablet. It must be funny because they are all laughing. There are snacks on the table, and 2 of the guys are holding a beer. Okay, the third and final picture for hanging out involves one of my favorite dogs, a pug. So you can say there is a pug sitting on the girl's lap. Mug. It's a cup from which you drink coffee. So the girl is holding a mug and a pug. A scarf, something you wear, around your neck. So you can say the girl is wearing a big pink scarf. Skinny jeans, those are tight jeans. The girl is wearing skinny jeans, a big pink scarf. She's holding a mug and a pug. Boots. The man is wearing beige boots. Beige is a light brown color. So that's beige. The man is wearing beige boots and he has a beard, right? That's hair on the face, beard. And some English students have trouble with these words, beard, beer, and bird. So you can practice. And also bear, actually. So listen to my pronunciation. Beard, beer, bird, bear. Very difficult. Fun. Well, I think they're having fun in this picture because they're both smiling. Some friends are hanging out and having fun. The woman is wearing a large scarf and skinny jeans. She has a funny pug on her lap. The guy is wearing beige boots and has a beard. They are both drinking something from mugs. Okay. So, which picture is your favorite? If you have a favorite picture, you can write a paragraph about it. So my recommendations for homework would be to write a paragraph about all 3 pictures. Then you should memorize the paragraph and read it in front of a mirror. So this will help your speaking tremendously. So thanks for watching the speaking and vocabulary lesson for hanging out and chilling with friends. Good luck with your study, and if you're taking a test, I hope you do well.